Hello everyone, this is Ferhan from FerhanReviews.com, and in this hopefully super quick video I wanted to tell you about a deal that's ending in a few hours tonight. It's actually ending at midnight UK time and 7 PM Eastern time. Now the deal is for Glorify, which is a cloud-based graphics editing package and creation package and much more. Now the deal is for the lifetime package, which starts from just $97, and you get access to a full suite of Glorify tools, which includes quite a few options. You get the amazing background remover. This is probably the best remover that I've used. I've paid for a few different options, but in my lifetime package I got this included with I think 500 credits, which is plenty, more than enough for me. Also you've got smart resize. You can add shadows and reflections to your product images. You can have collaborations. You've got hundreds of templates. You can annotate brand kits. They just added mockups, which is a nice new feature. They've got plenty of icons, 5 million plus photos. They've got models in here that you can use to put your thumbnails or social media images or product photos, and also loads of illustrations. There are quite a few things coming soon, so they've got a new logo creator coming, batch processing, animation, and much more. Let me go through. Yeah, this is their roadmap. So yeah, Logo Maker 2, Packaging Designer, mockups, batch processing, 3D viewer animation, smart components, print templates, collaborations, plenty more. You can click on the link below and just look at all of them yourself. But yeah, I'm looking forward to Logo Maker because I use a lot of logos for my websites, and it's always nice to have a good logo maker. Let me show you some of the options here. So the main highlight feature of Glorify is that it's made for e-commerce, for people who sell online on eBay, Amazon, their own stores, Shopify, whatever. And what I've seen, especially in a lot of their tutorials and their online sessions, is that they go through step by step how to make these amazing images. And with their templates, you can easily make some amazing product images. You can take a photo, use their background removal tool to remove all the background, put the photo you've taken into one of their templates, and you can make a normal photo look amazing, product photo. And they're all made by professional designers, and they're in use by real people, so you know it works. They've got plenty of examples. Okay, that's that. Let me see, social media. I also use it for social media posts. So I use some of the models, I use some of the mock-up images. They've got loads and loads of templates. You can do so much with this. It's also very good for ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. And you can see from the examples, you can make eye-catching ads really quickly. And also another popular feature is ebooks. You can make ebooks from within this package. Let me just quickly show you the pricing. So it starts at $97. Now this is a one-time price. You only pay once, never again. And you get all of the mock-ups, the background removal tool, the 15,000 plus, I didn't know it was that many, 15,000 templates, 5 million plus photos, 1 million plus professional illustrations, 2 million plus icons, 100 gig of cloud storage, all the future upgrades, and you get priority support, and also there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's currently quite a few, 126,000 plus users right now, and 1.71 million designs have been made so far. Let me show you inside my dashboard. So I'm on the, I think I'm on the top package. I think it was 300 and something. I paid for the 397 package, Pro Enterprise, and with that I get 500 credits for background removal. I get 10 user invitations, unlimited projects, unlimited brands, unlimited cloud storage, unlimited upload limit, and unlimited favorites. Now with this, with Glorify, you can do so much, especially for e-commerce and social media. I highly recommend it. You can end up paying Canva, I think, $120 a year, and Canva is very good. It is one of the biggest cloud-based graphics tools at the moment. But I think Glorify is on the way, especially for e-commerce focused, social media focused images, and yeah, it's just an amazing tool. And you're never going to get this price again, and you're never going to get this package again. because from tonight it's going to disappear and go to a fully subscription based package, because they raised their money from the VC funding. I think it was $2 million. They're going to end this deal now, and they can just focus on subscription and growing the tool. You see the roadmap even is quite extensive, and I think it would be crazy to miss out on this deal because it won't happen again. And you can get the basic package for $97, and it's a one-time payment. So hope you guys jump on it, and hope you enjoyed this quick, well, it wasn't a review, a quick video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.